to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making my husband's birthday cake. It is a watermelon cake. Let's get started.
I started out by coloring my buttercream. This is vegan American buttercream. I begin by adding more white to some green buttercream I already had. And I colored more buttercream with a whole tube of liquid food coloring. Check out how weak that color is. This is why I usually use gel food coloring. Huge difference. But it worked in this case because I need two different colors of green. The pink frosting is actually cream cheese frosting. I didn't have much left over, but I figured it should be enough to fill and cover the top of the cake. The cake is red velvet cake. I filled the cake with the pink cream cheese frosting, and added some chocolate chips to represent the watermelon seeds. And I covered the top of the cake with the frosting as well. If you like watching me make cakes, consider subscribing for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Then I put the green buttercream in two different piping bags. And I piped alternating stripes of green buttercream onto the side of the cake. Then I used a pointed tool to smear the buttercream in one direction first, and then the other, just to blend the colors together a bit and make the lines of buttercream not quite so regular. But this also left behind a very non-watermelon-like texture, so I used my bench scraper to smooth the frosting down again. Finally, I added some more chocolate chips, face down, into the cream cheese frosting to look like watermelon seeds. I think this cake turned out fun. It was a hit at my husband's birthday's grill party. Happy birthday, Simon! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe.